Get details.
Are you able now? We have written now two functions, get detail and display details. Now what are my leftover functions?
Class deleted.
What are the leftover function? At least read and tell me.
Finding into find perimeter, into find area.
Find area. Very good. First we write find area. Okay, done. So what is the area of square?
S into S.
Side into
Side into side.
side. Now I have declared as side, so I have to say side into side. Okay. That I am returning. That's what why I am giving int here means I am returning something here. Do you find the return statement in the display details, or do you find the return statement in the get details? Do you find any return statement here?
No.
Do you find any return statement here?
No.
That's what I am writing return type as void. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you find the return statement here?
No.
Here.
Yeah, it's there. White square.
Return statement is there, so I am not writing void. Instead of that, what is the data it is returning? Type of that data I am specifying here. Okay. Very good, very good. So now return side into side. Now people are reacting in chat very nicely. Keep it up now. Keep it up. Same. Similarly, you be active in the chat window. Okay. Then only I can know whether you are listening, whether you are understanding or not. Otherwise, I need not to take online class. I can prepare nicely offline video and I can upload it. No need of taking this much risk. Okay. You have to react. That is important. Now I have to write one more function.
Into square, find perimeter.
Very good. In square, find perimeter.
Now square spelling is wrong.
That's what it is not coming automatically. Otherwise, it will come automatically. Once you write, automatically it will come. Okay. What's the leftover method?
Perimeter.
All are same words. Okay. Don't get confused. In Java, if we use widely method instead of function, we use method. In C and C++, we use word function. But don't get confused. Okay. All are same. So square find perimeter. Find perimeter. What we have to written? Return
4 into S.
formula is
4 into S.
4 into L. Okay. 4 into L. This is the formula. That is 4 into side. Okay. Is it okay now? So I have nicely written square function similar to your rectangle. Okay. Now what we have to do? Our total class declarations, function declarations, everything over. So I'll go with the main now. Now I have to write the main function. Because our execution will start here only, we can create the objects for the classes in the main only. Now I am, so what is the next part of the class? What is the steps for class usage means? First you have to write the class, then we have to create the object, then you have to call the public function. That are the three steps. Now I am creating the, how can I create objects for the class? How can we declare objects? How can we declare objects? Anybody have answer for this? We have.
How can we declare objects names, Means what? What is the meaning of it?
Object. What is mean by object? Object is not blueprint. Okay, object is not blueprint. Class is blueprint. Class is blueprint. Class is blueprint. Object will have memory. Once you declare the memory, now we have two parts of the class. One is class declaration. This is called as the blueprint. We have designed, but we are not created any object for this class. Second part is no, I have to create the object. Then only your memory will be allocated. First class only I told you how the memory will be allocated, how the object will be allocated. Okay. You just recollect the points and tell me. That's what I am posting the video, but nobody is observing. You are not interested, it seems. Okay. Again, you have to read out. It's not that much easy. Learning language is very important. At the same time, you have to keep practice and interest also. Overnight, it won't come. Okay. So now tell me how to declare the variables for the structures. Tell me first. Already I have taken for the variables for the structure now. How will you write for the structures? Similar way here also you can declare the objects. Object is nothing but creating the variable for the class.
Int area and perimeter, ma'am.
Huh? Int
Area and perimeter.
area
A and P. Yes,
these are variables, not objects. These are variables, not objects. These are integer variables. These are integer variables. Very good. This is also needed. But what is the other thing we need? I am asking how to create object for the. Already I told you class. If you declare the class, there is no memory allocation for you. This is like blueprint. Class is blueprint. No memory allocation. Once you declare the object, then only a memory will be allocated. Okay. Very good, very good. Someone claps for her. Redmi, square S1, somebody declare. Given. Can you give your name, ma? Can you give? Yeah, I need it. This type of response from you. Very good, very good, very good. Manisha, very good. Claps for Manisha. Very good. Creating the object means here I have to write class name first. What is the class name? Square. This is the syntax. I have to follow square S1. Now S1 is the object of class. Object of class square. Okay. S1 is object. How to declare means object. This is the second part. Once class is designed, then I can create the object. Now only memory is allocated physically. But it is only logically. Blueprint. Class is blueprint. Till this part, no memory is allocated. But once if I say square S1, then only memory is allocated. How much means only one variable data member. That is also int. So 4 bytes will be allocated for S1. Are you getting my point? You should understand. Okay. Very good, ma. Very good. I am happy, Manisha. Okay. Next, what I have to do? Third part is S1 dot. We have to first read the next calling.
S1 dot get details.
Get details. But here also you have to go for the sequence. After get details, what we have to write?
S1 dot put details.
No, very immediately we don't write. First, I IPO, input, process, and output. Get details means input. What about process? What are the functions for the process? You can type.
Find area and find
Very good, very good. S1 dot find area.
area and perimeter.
Very good. S1 dot find perimeter. Find perimeter. Very good, very good. What's your name, ma? Name, please. Find area and find perimeter. But after finding area, it is returning. So once it is returned, I have to hold it. Return means I am giving something. So someone has to hold it. So area will hold that value. And here it will, perimeter can also hold that value. Okay. We are storing that return value into some variables, area and perimeter. Very good, very good. Don't get confusion. Like this, you have to have a clear idea. Otherwise, if I am writing the class, but I am writing so much program that is nicely works, but you don't understand, means it's waste of my time and your time. Okay. You can score the marks. I will give gunshot 10 questions. With that 10 questions, you will get pass marks. But that is not important. Okay. You have to get the concept. Okay, be prepared in that way, ma'am. Okay. Then perimeter is equal to S1 dot find perimeter. Very good. Then what I have to write now?
S1
Dot.
dot put details.
Very good. Put details or display details. Put also you can
Display
write.
details.
That is better. Get and put. Very you can remember easily. Okay? S1 dot put details. Okay. Now I have to write output also I have to write now. Okay. See out.
Area of
Very good. Area
square.
of square is equal to what I have to write after this? Where exactly you will find the value? Where it is stored, area of the square.
Amen.
Exactly, exactly. It is stored in area variable here. Okay, it is area variable. So I am writing that. You should understand why you are keeping each and every statement. Why madam is writing like this? You have to understand. Then only it will be easy for you. Next, afterwards, what is another output?
Perimeter of area. Square.
Perimeter. Hello.
Mom, ender means end line.
End line, exactly. That is similar to slash n in C language. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have to write which variable I have to give here.
Perimeter.
Very good, very good. Perimeter. Okay. That's it. Now our main is ended. Okay. See, I think one square brace is extra. Na? This is for class. You have to check like this. Class is over. Then this function is over. Open brace and close brace. You check one. Open brace and close brace. Open brace and close brace. Main, only main we have. Na? Why this extra? Okay. So some extra is there. Okay. So now your function is over. Now shall I say the program? What are the next step of program? After writing, you have to say the program. Okay. I can write now square. Okay. Square dot CPP. It will store as a square dot CPP. If you see here, it will be changed. Okay. Now shall I go for execution?
Compile.
Compile. Very good. Compile. If you see here, square dot cpp. Okay. Now is it executed? Is it compiled now?
Yes, ma'am.
Error 0 and warning 0. Very good.
Warning 0.
What's the next step?
Run.
Very good. Run. Running the.
Yes.
Now I will give you the access to running window also.
Mom, you did not share the running screen.
Yes, I am doing. Is it visible to everyone now?
Yes.
Very good. So what it is asking, because first we call the method get details. So now it is executing get details. So get details, what we have, enter the value of side. So if I tell me some value for the side.
12.
Okay, 12. If I press enter, very immediately it call the find area. Very immediately it call the find perimeter. After completion of find area, it will go to the find perimeter. After that, it will go to the display details. Then it will go to the output statement. But all these will be implicitly done. Only output you will see. Okay. Is
Fraction of seconds.
Side of square is equal to 12. Very beside it is came area of square, because endel I have not given. So it is come beside of this. Area of square is 144 and perimeter of square is 48. Is it okay? All of you. Have you understood? Say yes or no in the chat. Very good, very good. Like this you have to be active. Okay, now I am pressing enter again. I am going to program again. Again I am sharing the program. Okay. So here display details I am changing like after side I have to give endl, then it will come neatly. I am making this change. Again I am compiling. Okay. So no errors, no warning. So again we'll go for the run. We'll share the screen. So is it okay now? Are you able to see the, you can say S in the chart window. Are you able to see the running window? Okay. Now I am giving the value 12. See, now how nice it is. Side of square is 12. Area of the square is 144. Perimeter of square is 48. Okay. So now I think you are understood the output now. Okay. Now I'll get back to the program again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay now. I'm going to the program again. Okay. What is your assignment? I will write now. Okay. I'll go to the this one whiteboard. I'll write. Okay. But I have given so many assignments, five programs, but nobody given any response. Simply you have taken the assignment. I told you, even though there is no execution process, you can write on the paper and you can send me with my mail or my personal WhatsApp also. You can write that. No response from you. I don't know why, what is happening to you. Writing on paper is nothing problem now. You can write it on the paper and then you can post it to me. Then only I can understand how far you understood. So now I am giving one more assignment for you. If If you write this assignment only tomorrow, are you able to see the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am writing the write a program to implement circle class. Implement circle class. Circle means same. Whatever I have written like. Chandu, do you have perimeter for the circle?
Yes, I had the formula. The formula is 2 pi r and area is pi r square.
Area is equal to
Pi r square.
pi r square. Okay. I am writing pi as pi. Okay. Pi into. I think most of you know what is mean by pi. Okay. R into r. R. I can write what is the value of pi? 3.14 into
Or 22 by 7.
r into otherwise 22 by 7 whatever it is. R into r. Okay. What about perimeter?
అది చెప్పారా మేడం?
Huh?
7 pi r pi into r into r మ్యామ్.
Pi into r రాస్తున్నాను కదా అక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే. అదర్వైజ్ 3.14 into r into r. R 22 by 7 కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఎలా అయినా ఇష్టం. 22 by 7.
22 by 7's simplification is 3.4.
అదే
3.1.
into r ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. into r here radius. R for radius. And perimeter?
2 pi r. 2 into pi into r.
2 into pi into r. Okay. Okay, this is your formulas. Okay, you have to write this program and before class only I have to get the answers for this, whether it is right or wrong. Whoever write the answers, for them only I will admit into the class. Okay. Others I don't admit. Even one member or two members also I'll admit only whoever written this, because if you understand this program, it is very easy to write this. Okay. That you have to remember. Whatever the anyhow I will keep the recorded video now itself. You can observe again the video and again you repeatedly you can see and you understood and you write down the program for this implementing the circle. Okay. Next, any other Chandu, any other shape?
We can use rhombus.
Rhombus. Okay. Circle, square, triangle.
Yeah, triangle. Mom, we had more only 10 minutes. We had to end it fast.
Okay, no problem. I'll continue. Write a program to implement triangle class. You just all of you write down these, and tomorrow whoever write the answers for this, for them only I will allow the class. Okay. We have to implement triangle class. I will give the hints also. Area. What is the area? Area of the triangle. Tell me, Chandu.
Half into base into height.
Half into base into height.
Yeah.
Half into base into height. And perimeter?
Perimeter is if for it is equilateral triangle, it can be 3 into s. But if it is isosceles or scalar triangle, we can keep s into s plus s plus s.
You tell me whatever is which is easy. Okay.
Okay, s plus s plus s. S.
What is s here? Side?
Yeah, side.
S plus s plus
S. 3 sides.
s plus s plus s plus. Are you able to see, Chandu? This is only na.
Mom, next we'll keep will you keep any another shape also?
Another? You just type in chat window, Amma. Chandu.
Mom, you are planning only to keep these two steps?
Two assignments you are saying? Okay. Whoever keep these two assignments, for them only I will allow you to write down your roll number and whatever it may be. I'll ask whenever you are entering into the class only, I will ask your roll number, your name and everything. If you tell the answer, then only I will allow you. And I'll see, I will check. Personally, I will check. Don't worry, I'm not asking about execution. I am asking about your attempt. Attempt is very important. You have to attempt it on paper, then only you will learn. Otherwise, or you don't be crazy of attending online classes and all. You have to take it serious. You have to take it serious and learn. Why I'm keeping this much effort means you have to learn. I'm trying to make you learn two languages, very complicated languages. These are C and C++. Are you just ask others also, somebody in the computer field, you ask. Making become students to learn the C and C++ is not that much easy. And keeping my best efforts to you to make you very bright future. So try to understand these and cooperate with me. Okay. Now I'll go back to program. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
అదే మరి ఉన్నదంటే లేదంటాం ఆ చూసేటైతే ఏది లేదు.
You just go through the program again because I am showing you again. Just you have to write all the pre-processors, then using namespaces, mentioning the namespaces. This is needed. Otherwise, again, every C in and C out we have to write std. So instead skipping this, I am writing only once here, and I am using C in and C out freely. Now class square, class reserved, and this is name. Similarly, you have to write your circle and all. Okay. So circle also we have to identify. Yes, class square. Then this is private part, that is nothing but data part. You have to guess and you have to tell the data part. Okay. Public part is, these are the methods I already told you. Irrespective of this, get details and put details are very important. You can change it as put details also. There is no meaning, but you have to read the data. You have to display the data. That is important. Manipulation according to your these mutators are according to your problem. Because here it is shapes. I am saying find area and find perimeter. If it is student, I have to say find result, find grade. Like this I have to say find pass or fail, find grade. Like this I may have the different functions, but here it is according to this I am giving this. So once I have given, once I guess all the methods and data members, then I go for the giving details of otherwise describing this function or giving definition to the functions. Get details is simply reading all the data members whichever you have given here, because there is only one data member. So in this function I am reading only one data member. Display or put details are all these are whatever the data member is there, you have to display the details of that. So only one data member I am writing side of square. Use endl because that will be useful. When you see the output, it will be nicely visible to you. Then whatever the mutator functions, find area and find perimeters according to your formula I have to written here. Okay. And I am also giving the hint, check data type also. Sometimes you need data types, not only int, other also. This is the hint I am giving and leaving you for your imagination. How will you take it? I will see tomorrow. Okay. But you have to get it by paper or by execution. You have to submit. Okay. And one more thing, there may be exams in June end or July first week. So you have to be serious. So once because actually it's a very vast language. This is also C++. Both are very vast languages. Actually, it is more burden for you learning two languages. At the same time, it is advantage for you. Within short time, you will learn both. That is also very good opportunity for you. Anyhow, outrightly, I will help you to learn the languages. You will remember me in the lifetime. How you learn.